I have data in two sheets, sheets 2 and 3. Each sheet has a column titled Registrant. For example, in sheet 2, A1 has the name and rating of a particular dataset or participant, and its corresponding sheet 3 has the age and other data of that same participant or dataset. If I want to combine the data of these two sheets, I can easily sort and combine them. However, the combination will not work if the column titled Registrant is not exactly the same in both sheets. The skivems-merge-rows add-on can be used to easily merge same data collected at different times into different sheets. You can get the skivems add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace through the Extensions tab and searching for it by typing it in the search bar. You can then install it. In order to merge these two sheets, navigate to Extensions and then to merge two sheets with same identification. Provide the names of the first sheet and second sheet, as well as the common column name in these two sheets. Ensure you provide these names as exactly as they appear in the spreadsheets, respecting both white space and caps lock. The data will then be merged into one sheet titled Merged Data. You can then compare the merged data and see which dataset or participant had data in one sheet but not the other. For example, A11 had data in sheet 2, but no data in sheet 3. You can then delete the duplicated common identifier of these two sheets merged into one.